How to fix white screen on Android. So right now, if your Android looks something like this, there are a couple of things that you can do. So first and foremost, go ahead and press and hold your power button to force restart your mobile device. Just go ahead and restart your mobile. If this does not work, go ahead and follow this second step. First and foremost, take your eject pin and poke out your SIM card. Now once your SIM card is out, again, try to force start your mobile device without your SIM card. If it does not work, the third and the final step is to connect to a charger. You can do this by shutting your phone down and plugging in your charger, and you have to leave out your phone for a while. After some time, once your mobile data is charged, try to open it once again. First, try to open the mobile device while it is still plugged in. If that does not work, disconnect your mobile charger. Then, try to reopen or restart your mobile device once again. After all of this step, if the problem is not solved, you have to go to the customer service as there might be some of the hardware issue. So go ahead and give those steps a try, and thank you so much for watching. We'll see you very soon.